Are you tired of juggling customer calls and missing out on potential leads? Imagine a tool that turns simple SMS keywords into automated AI-driven calls, connecting you with clients faster. In today's video, we'll show how plumbers can revolutionize their businesses with this game-changing technology. This innovative tool does everything from boosting bookings to simplifying customer outreach. Stay tuned as we break down how SMS to AI calls work and how you can use them to supercharge your plumbing business. Let's dive in.
Hey, and welcome to Use Cases with AI and Automation. My name is Pettis with One Click Digital Services. Thank you for joining us here in the video. Before we get started, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button so you'll get notified when I make other videos like this. All right, let's jump into it. Today's video is about SMS to AI calling. Yes, right, SMS to AI calling. This use case is one that can be used by plumbers, home service businesses. You can run any type of promotion with this. It's a way to gather leads, to qualify leads. So in this use case, that's what we're going to show, right? So just to explain a little bit about what we're going to do and what this use case is about. If you look at the screen uh, that I have on the screen, I just kind of created this little diagram just to kind of show what this use case is going to be, right? So we've all seen these type of promotions before where it says text a certain keyword to a number and you may get back some type of information or you may get back a link or something, right? So in this case, we're going to take it to another level. What we're going to do is when the keyword is text to the number, that's going to trigger an AI assistant to make the phone call, right? So that AI assistant can call the person that texts the keyword to qualify him, and then you know you can put this lead into some type of nurturing automation or follow-up automation, right? So if you look at the diagram that I have here on the screen, let's say you run some type of ad on Facebook or some type of promotion that says text this particular keyword where someone can get information, right? So let's say they text the keyword, and then let's say the keyword is promo 123. They text the keyword goes to a number, and this number could be a call tracking number that we use in marketing a lot, or any type of number that can be used to run this promotion, right? And so this the phone number gets stored in a CRM, right? It gets stored in a database where you have all your customers and contacts. Once that happens, in our software, it actually will kick off an automation. This automation will automatically will notify our AI assistant that a new lead has text a keyword, and the AI assistant will then place a phone call to that person that text that keyword. And then once the person answers the phone, the AI will go through a series of whatever qualifying questions and capture their information, maybe capturing their phone number, their email address, home address, or whatever pertinent information that needs to be captured. That information will again be stored in your CRM, and then that that person or that lead would be put into another nurturing workflow or a follow-up workflow. So that's how this whole um, this use case is going to work. So what we're going to do today on the video, because I like to not just talk about the use cases, but actually show the use cases in action, so you can see these use cases in action. And if you're a plumbing business, let's say you're a plumbing business and you run this type of use case scenario. In this instance, what I'm going to do today This particular one is for an emergency. So, and I'm just throwing it out there as, to any plumbers or any home service business. Let's say, for instance, for a plumber, you set up this dedicated line and system for emergencies. And, a person that's have a plumbing emergency, they could uh, text emergency to a keyword. It gets captured. The AI will call them, verify what's the issue with the plumbing, what kind of issue are you having, give me your address and other information. It would dispatch book a service appointment for that emergency and dispatch a technician, right? So that's what this scenario is. So let's go ahead and dive into the actual scenario on my phone. So let me go to my phone screen and we will dive in. As you can see here on my phone screen, I have where the number where we can text emergency to this number. And so once I text the emergency, I should immediately get a phone call from an AI agent. There's the phone call. Hello?
Hello. Thank you for calling ABC Plumbing in Plano. My name is Brian. I understand you're dealing with a plumbing emergency, and I'm here to help. May I ask your name, please?
Yes, my name is Chris Watson.
Thank you, Chris Watson. Can you briefly describe the issue you're facing so we can better assist you?
Sure, I have a water coming from underneath a pipe underneath my sink is leaking.
I'm so sorry you're experiencing this. Could you please provide the address where the service is needed?
Sure,
Thank you for that.
sure. The address is 123 Miller Street, Dallas,
Could you
Texas.
please? Thank you. Thank you, Chris. Can you confirm the city and zip code for that address?
Sure,
What is the zip code for?
Dallas, Texas 75221.
Um, Thank you for that. Could I also confirm the best phone number to reach you in case the technician needs to contact you?
Sure, you can use my mobile phone.
I've noted that this is an emergency service for the leak under your sink.
Thank you.
Let's schedule your emergency services. What date and time works best for you?
November the 20th today at about 2 o'clock p.m.
What time? Our emergency team is available 24/7, and the next available technician can arrive at 2 o'clock p.m. today. Does this work for you?
Yes, that works. Thank you.
Great. You're all set.
Good. Thank you.
Our technician will arrive in 1 to 2 hours to address the issue.
Okay. Thanks.
You'll receive a confirmation text shortly with all the details.
Sure thing. Have a great day.
Thank you, Chris. Help is on the way. Take care.
Bye.
If you have any other concerns, don't hesitate to call us back.
Sure, no problem. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Goodbye.
Have a great day.
Goodbye. Okay, so as you can see, that's use case scenario. The When I text the keyword, I received the call from the AI assistant. The AI assistant, went through a series of questions, asked questions about the emergency and the problem and the address and things like that. Now, this AI is not, fully trained. This is was only for demo purposes, so I, spent a few minutes just kind of training it on, a little emergency procedures and few questions to ask. Uh, but for a real scenario, you can see how this would benefit, uh, your plumbing business or HSB, where you can have an AI assistant available 24/7. Now, here's the thing about it. It's available 24/7. You can provide this type of service to your customers, that where they can text a keyword to this number, get a call if they want to schedule some type of appointment, service appointment, or have an emergency situation, that they can actually have, you could actually have your AI assistant to answer the call rather than having a person. Because let's be honest, that you're not going to have a person that's going to be available 24/7 to take every phone call, and a lot of times phone calls are missed. And the purpose of this is for you to capture leads. And this not only can be used for emergencies, but they can be used for just in a general sense, for just a general situation. Just a way for leads to for you to capture leads. Let's say if you're using this to run some type of special promotion, that the AI could qualify the lead and send them a coupon. But I wanted to just spend the time in this use case video. I try to keep these videos short and to the point, so that you can see the use cases and how it could benefit your plumbing or HSB. If you are a plumber or HSB and you want to implement this use case into your business, you can contact us in the information in this video, where we can set you up. We can set you up with the software, with the CRM. We can set you up with the AI caller and set up this whole scenario for your plumbing business and get you up and running today and implementing AI and automation in your plumbing business. So until then, and for those of you who like these use case videos, if you want to see another use case with AI and automation, reply in the comments so we can make another video with another use case. Until next time, I'll see you later.